Kia ora, I'm David Chaston with 90 at 9, brought to you by interest.co.nz. This week at Everything You Need to Know in 90 seconds at 9 o'clock with news. China has dropped the word prudent as it changes tack on its approach to economic support. Commodity currencies, including the New Zealand dollar, got a boost from the shift. But first, US consumer inflation expectations for the year ahead rose to 3% in November from 2.9% in October, which was the lowest since October 2020. Inflation expectations also increased for the 3-year ahead and the 5-year ahead outlook. Across the Pacific, Japan's third quarter 2024 GDP expansion was revised up, which was a surprise even if it was only a minor gain. And China's annual CPI rate fell to 0.2% in November from 0.3% in the prior month, missing market forecasts of a rise. China's producer prices dropped by 2.5% in the year to November, following a 2.9% fall in the previous month and a softer decline than market expected. Meanwhile, the Chinese Politburo met and told the People's Bank of China to adopt a moderately loose strategy for monetary policy in 2025. The Central Economic Work Conference is about to meet. The move marked an aggressive shift from the previous prudential stance that was in place since 2011. Along with wording that indicates more fiscal stimulus, they also said they'll directly support property and equity markets next year. They're going all in on new stimulus to try and move their economic needle. In India, the rupee dropped to nearly 85 to the US dollar and a record low, as evidence of fresh capital outflows magnify the impact of dovish monetary policy and signs that their economy is slowing more than expected. Meanwhile, they're about to change out the governor of their central bank. The US Treasury 10-year yield is now just on 4.20% and up 5 basis points from this time yesterday. And the price of gold will start today at $2,669 an ounce and up $36 from yesterday. And oil prices are up $1.50 to just over $68.50 a barrel in the US, while the international Brent price is now just on $72.50 a barrel. And the Kiwi dollar starts today at 58.8 US cents and up 50 basis points from this time yesterday. Against the Aussie, we're down 30 basis points at 91 Australian cents. Against the euro, we're up 40 basis points at 55.6 euro cents. That all means our trade weighted index starts today at just under 68.4 to be up 35 basis points from yesterday. You can get more news affecting the economy in New Zealand from interest.co.nz. Kia ora, I'm David Chaston, and we'll do this again tomorrow.